This morning we're going to start with a little laundry. I don't have, where we're at has no laundry facilities anywhere nearby. So we're going to do our laundry in a bucket. So I will saltwater wash it, saltwater rinse it, then freshwater rinse it. So today I'm trying to get our towels and washcloths caught up and hanging out. It's got a good breeze for it to dry today, and we'll see how this goes.
About to leave, already packing, come with me, I'm not really asking, we'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions, we'll get away, this is what we waited for.
Start with, I need to get some water in my bucket and not catch any of the fishes. Go. I have my laundry detergent, and yes, it's in a Coke bottle. A little laundry soap in there. Give it a good stir, and we'll just start. And I gotta wring all my soapy water back out. And just repeat. Give it a good agitation. Start the wringing out process. And we just keep repeating. So, sat down, easier than bending over. On my last towel for wash, I got washcloths to go. But I'm just literally churning it, smashing it, trying to make sure I get the soapy water all in it and hope to get all the. Granted, these towels were only used to dry off after showers, so we were clean, so they're not really dirty. And we hang them up to dry, and we use them at least twice to dry off before we classify them as dirty. And then I wring the water back into the bucket. Go back once I get through once. Try to get all the soapy water I can. stacking them up. So next is all the washcloths. I saved them till last because those we do use in the shower to help get us clean, wash our faces in the morning, that kind of thing. A good agitation. And we start that process of getting them all run out. A little easier to wring out than the towels. Alright, that gets all of it through its first wash. So now I gotta dump my bucket and get some fresh. I'm gonna dump my bucket. So now I have a fresh bucket of water. Put a couple of these in. Then soak in for a minute to get all the soap out. I'll be back in a few minutes to rinse them. Alright. Trying to rinse most of the salt or most of the soap out I can. This is going to take several rinses. Again. And once I no longer have soap suds coming out of it, I'll do a freshwater rinse. Right now we're still doing salt water. It's just a repeat the cycle. Now that I've got the saltwater rinses done, I'm being rocked on my boat, but work my way back here to fill up my bucket with our fresh water out of our wash down. Which probably is where I should have just done the laundry. It's in the shade. And we currently have idiot boaters running through the anchorage, tossing us. Good Lord. Anyway, this is my freshwater wash down. That's all the salt water out. And I may move back here and do my laundry. Make sure our bucket is good and clean. And then we'll get some fresh water put in here. As you can see, we're on a beautiful anchorage, and I'm sitting under our sunshade. I want to get the bucket about half full, maybe not quite that much, but at least half full to start this rinse. So now that I got my fresh water. I'm just rinsing them and wringing them out. Make sure we got all the salt water out of them. They smell good and clean. Don't smell like salt water. And then I'll get them hung up to dry. Very exciting, right? I know there are some people that have made buckets with plungers and holes where you squeeze all the water out that way, and I may eventually invest in that if we have to do this a whole lot. Just because it makes it easier on the hands than what I'm doing. But I guess if you have to hand wash laundry, can't beat the scenery. Well, you probably can in different locations, but it is the nice thing about being on the boat doing the laundry. Good as I can get them. Bring them over here. And hang them up. These little clips have stainless steel rings in them, so they won't rust. Plastic and stainless steel. Just dig it up. Our lifelines aren't high enough, huh? Then we just get them hung up like this. So, towels all hung up. And our washcloths are hanging all up there to dry. First load of laundry done. Thank you for watching. Music by Epidemic Sound. Video edited with Wondershare Filmora Pro. And be sure to like, subscribe, and get notified about our YouTube channel. And follow us on Facebook and Instagram. See you soon.